Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Purinose inhaler. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. So introducing Purinose, a unique blend of all natural ingredients, rapidly enters the bloodstream through nasal mucosa, inhibiting the growth and reproduction of parasites, keeps you safe from all kinds of diseases. So as you can see, don't let the worms continue to eat away at you. So as you can see, it looks like this one, it's just like a normal inhaler. Looks like this. So they're FDA approved. As you can see, they have a lot of claims right here. Black pepper, ALB25. I don't know what that is. So if you go on right here to Amazon to see the reviews, they're actually rated 2.6 out of 5 stars with a 50 rating. So let's head on over down here to see the reviews. This one says that it's not worth it. From China, not made in the USA. Working, don't know. It's a scam from China, do not buy. Weak aroma, scam. And let's see more reviews here. Oh, it actually needs to log in. However, please do not buy this product since it is basically just a normal inhaler. It doesn't do all of these like they claim, since it is basically impossible, since how can it enter the bloodstream through your nose? If it's not injected into you directly, how can it enter your bloodstream? So if you have common sense, basically you can tell that this is a scam. Their claims is a scam. However, the product itself does work normally, but it doesn't do what they they advertised it to do. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.